Hi, good afternoon or evening for most of us, I guess. I wanted to touch base with you. I am Professor Jen Durkitz, and I'm looking forward to this semester. I wanted to give you a few um, pieces of information, and hopefully everyone is staying dry. Not sure where everybody's located, but um, I know that there's been a lot of flooding in Virginia. So, anyways, just to get started, and I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know I'm a real person. And also to let you know that please log into Blackboard if you haven't already and navigate through the class, take a look around, make sure that you read the syllabus. There's a syllabus quiz, there's an introduction. I put up the first about 6 weeks, I believe, worth of information that you'll need. So you're definitely going to want to take a look through that. You know, you're welcome to work at your own pace. You're welcome to work week to week. Whatever is easiest for you is fine by me. Like I said in the syllabus, the best way to get a hold of me is via email. If you are having trouble with something, like, please let me know. I'm usually checking my email, pretty regularly. So let's see what else. As far as the lab kit goes, if you haven't ordered it, you need to order it right away. It's going to take about 7 to 10 days, give or take, to get to you. The first week, you won't actually need it, which is why I want you to order it ahead of time, because in week 2 you will. So, and you don't want to have, you don't want to be scrambling either. You want to familiarize your stuff with the lab kit. When it comes in the mail, it's a pretty big box and there's a bunch of stuff in it. So, don't let it overwhelm you. The labs are pretty good. They tell you exactly what you need for each one. There's a few labs that you have to set up ahead of time. Some beans that have to sit overnight, some eggs that have to sit. So there's a couple of things that if you don't already have them, you may want to get over the next month or two. So that's why I encourage you to take a look through things. If something isn't clear, go ahead and write me on it now. Chances are, if one of you has a question, more than that does too. So don't just assume that it's clear because you think that it might not be. It might not be. So anyways, I think that's all. Let's see, I'm trying to think. The only other thing that I can say is, in order for me to count your attendance, I need to see that you're logging into Blackboard each week. So that's how that works. If I see that, so I can track that through Grade Center. So if I see that you're not logging in, then it's almost like you're not coming to class. So you don't want to do that. Also, make sure you read the syllabus closely, because if you miss the labs, if you miss 3 or more labs, then you pretty much fail the course. So if there's something going on, or something that you have coming up, somewhere along the line or whatever, then you can always do it ahead of time. Like I said, you don't have to necessarily wait. You just need to make sure that it's in by the due date. So the due date is like the last day. And that's exactly how the test will work. So if you are not near the Reynolds campuses, then you're going to need to find a testing center that you can take the testing, because the tests, or the exams, I should say, the 2 exams, the midterm and the final, are actually proctored. So you will take those in front of somebody. The tests, the week-to-week tests, you'll do those through Blackboard. So just to clarify some of the lingo a little bit, there's 2 exams and then week-to-week tests. Okay, and then some other instructional information that kind of like your lecture, and then the labs each week. And then you'll also see discussion boards periodically throughout. So in any case, just navigate through the class, and if you have any questions, let me know early this week coming up. Okay? Well, welcome to Summer 18 Biology, and I look forward to working with all of you. I will talk to you soon.